Hey everyone, if you're tired of doing the same tasks over and over again, like sending emails, updating spreadsheets, or uploading files manually, Zapier might be the solution you've been looking for. Zapier is a cloud based automation platform that connects your favorite apps so they can work together automatically. It allows you to create zaps, which are automated workflows triggered by certain events like getting a new email, receiving a form response, or making a sale. You don't need any coding knowledge to use it. The interface is clean, simple, and built for everyone from beginners to advanced users. With over 6,000 supported apps, chances are Zapier already works with the tools you use every day. While it does offer a free plan, it comes with limitations like 100 tasks per month and single-step zaps. Paid plans start around $19 monthly and unlock more advanced features and higher task limits. Zapier can save you hours of repetitive work each week, making it ideal for small businesses, content creators, marketers, and even solo entrepreneurs. That said, it's not perfect. The cost can add up quickly for heavy users, and some integrations may feel a bit limited depending on the app. Still, the time and energy saved often outweigh the price. If you're someone who values productivity and efficiency, Zapier is definitely worth a try. That's it, and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.